The importance of traveling. Traveling is a vital facet of personal development and cultural enrichment. Traveling broadens one's horizon and fosters tolerance and understanding of diverse cultures. On the positive side of traveling is that allows one to break free from their routine, travel, and stimulate creativity and problem-solving skills. One should make sure they travel at least once a year. By doing so, it will act as a motivation of self-discovery, building confidence and allowing one to navigate several unfamiliar territories. Moreover, it creates long-lasting memories as well as bonds with friends or other people. Traveling to new places, exploring nature's wonders, historical landmarks, or vibrant cities instill in us a valuable experience. It also promotes lifelong learning as well as appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our world. All in all, traveling to a new places acts as an investment in both personal development and in terms of creating connections with new people. So ayan, kami ay nag-travel nga dito sa Israel Museum na tinatawag ditong Art and Archaeological Museum sa Israel. Dito namin mas makikita yung kabuuan ng kayamanan ng Israel in terms of history and archaeological artifacts. So madami kaming napuntahan dito. I think before napuntahan ko na to, patries ko na to dito sa Israel Museum. It's been like 7 years almost nung last ko pa kasama pa yung employer ko na may Alzheimer. So ngayon, nagbabalik na naman po ako dito sa Israel Museum para lang mas maibang yung sarili namin dahil syempre in terms of our working environment, hindi mo talaga masasabi na talagang dadaanan ka rin ng lungkot dito sa malayong lugar tulad dito. Narito kami sa mga So, yan ang kayamanan ng Israel, diba? Sobrang daming mga artifacts at iba't ibang mga places na tumira din dito sa Israel. So, katulad niyan po, yan si Pegasus. So, ito yung ancient na stone. Yan. In terms of mga mosaic arts, napakayaman po nila sa mga ganyang artifacts. Diba? Yan po yung mga antique floor stones. And then, narito naman kami ngayon sa may area ng mga jars, sa mga candle holders na ginagamit nung unang mga panahon. Yan ang mga iba't ibang ginagamit nila. Yan. Diba? Mga banga. Dito naman kami sa may Egypt. Yan. Diba? Kompleto po sila dito sa Israel Museum.